Ever feel like your day is just spreadsheets, emails, and complete chaos? Check this out. I'm about to turn hours of your work into just minutes. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get stuck in. All right, folks. So this is the landing page for CoSpace GPT. The link for this will be in the description after the video. It's designed to solve one of the most common struggles in your daily life. I'm wasted on repetitive, frustrating tasks. Now, picture yourself staring at a cluttered spreadsheet, feeling overwhelmed because you got no idea what to do, yeah? You've got numbers that just won't make sense. But with this Excelinizer at your fingertips, CoSpace GPT turns that mess into clarity, instantly summarizing and visualizing the data into clear, actionable insights. I'll show you how that works in a sec. What used to stress you out now becomes the easiest part of your workflow. Now, spreadsheets aren't the only thing slowing you down. Writing that perfect email or even just replying can be just as exhausting. Basically, if you're dealing with admin stuff, emails, Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, this one's definitely going to be your new best mate. And CoSpace GPT's built-in email composer takes out all the guesswork, whipping up polished replies in seconds. So no more overthinking it. The relief is instant, honestly. Trust me, this platform also brings in customizable AI assistants. So with its unique skill set, you'll be able to pick an assistant in chat, whether you need to fact-check something tricky, write captions in a certain tone, or creatively rework your content. Being able to swap assistants on the fly gives you heaps of flexibility and accuracy, turning multitasking into a super smooth process instead of a headache. Now, the real impact of CoSpace GPT really shows when you look at the time it saves you. Instead of battling with spreadsheets or emails, you actually get hours back in your day. Saving 2 hours today becomes a real, tangible thing. So guys, the result is simple but powerful. No stress, no wasted effort, and a workflow that feels totally transformed. So CoSpace GPT doesn't just help out, it actually changes the way work gets done. Now, this is what it looks like, and as you can see, I've been mucking around, asking their AI for a few prompts. So have a look at these. Sort out struggles, summarize my daily tasks, and suggest how to prioritize them. So this is actually me asking the artificial intelligence. So as you can see, you've got all the responses right here. Make a list, group and summarize, prioritize using the Eisenhower matrix, and you can dig in further if you want. You can ask them, what do you mean by Eisenhower matrix? What's the Eisenhower matrix? Check that out. The Eisenhower matrix, also known as the urgent important matrix, is a straightforward decision-making tool for prioritizing tasks. So basically, if you didn't get anything, it's telling you you'd be able to sort it out here. Have a look at this, guys. This is brilliant stuff. Do you know how to do a VLO in Excel? Oh, wow. This will definitely help you out heaps. If you could ask them for, syntax like this, oh my gosh, that'd be a real time saver and honestly a lifesaver too. This will make you super efficient. Trust me, guys, you got to give this one a go. All right, then. So let me show you another really handy tool you'll be able to use. Check this out. Email Composer. This will save you heaps of time and actually make you look really professional. Create a thank you response. Actually, there are different tones and styles you can pick from. Have a look at that. Professional, friendly, urgent, concise, formal, casual. Whatever sort of tone or style you want, you'll be able to choose it right here. So just to give you a bit of a practical example of how this works, let's say, for instance, that the specific content you're looking to create is a professional email. This email would be sent out to confirm that you have successfully received the package they sent over, and then you'd want to go a step further by suggesting that you tee up a formal meeting or perhaps even a quick video call so that you can both have a proper chat about the various next steps involved in the project. So write a professional thank you email response. Let's do a thank you response right here. So the goal is a thank you response, and I actually want to make it friendly. Okay, so friendly and then generate the email. All right, let's do that. Just like that, folks. Instead of, typing away and trying to think up the best response for a particular email, you'll be able to generate it right here. So for example, you could just copy and paste this. You could pop it into your email client and just tweak whatever you need, like the names and all the details. So for example, with this one, Dear Alex, I hope this email finds you well. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for sending the package. It arrived safely and in top condition. I'm really grateful for your quick attention to this matter. So to move things forward effectively, I'd like to set up a video conference to chat about the next steps in a bit more detail. Let me know when you're free over the next week, and I'll sort out a time that suits us both. Check that out. Super time efficient, really professional. It'll just depend on how you want that email to come across. And the best bit is you'll be able to proofread it and tweak it however you like. But then again, if I'm the one who actually put this together and will be sending it, the only things I'd be changing here are the name, job title, company name, and like the email and phone number, and that's about it. I'll be sending it just as it is, so you can go ahead and check this one out too. That'll help you save time and spend the rest of it on things that actually matter. So stop wasting hours battling with spreadsheets and emails. Head over to CoSpace GPT right now, set up your own AI assistant, and take your day back. So guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll think about hitting like, subscribing, and clicking that bell so you're always in the loop when I drop new videos like this in the future. Catch you in the next one on the app. Cheers.